Well, hello, all my favorite people. We're going to talk today about the distributive property, and it is going to be super helpful when we're clearing those parentheses, right? Getting rid of the parentheses during those multi-step equation. So let's look at a couple examples together on how to use the distributive property. So first, I have this 5, and then I have those parentheses, f plus 4. So when I distribute, that means I hand things out. Everyone gets 1, right? That fair share. So if I have a number on the outside of the parentheses, that means to multiply. So when I distribute, I'm handing that number to both of the items inside the parentheses, right? So if I were to simplify that and clear those parentheses, I do 5 times f, which is 5f, and then 5 times 4, which is 20. And then that was a positive 4, so I continue to add those numbers together. So really it's 5f plus 20, right, when I distribute. All right, let's move on to a slightly more challenging one. So here I have the 6 on the outside of the parentheses and then k minus 10. So really pay attention to whether it's plus a number or minus a number when you are practicing. So I have positive 6 times k, so that's 6k. And then I have 6 really times negative 10, so that would be negative 60 or minus 60, right? So we keep that sign, right? If one's a positive and one's a negative, right? We're going to keep that. So let's explore some more because we got to start thinking about our integer operations. So here I have a negative 3 on the outside of the parentheses. I'm still going to distribute, and I have to distribute the whole thing. I'm going to distribute that negative sign also. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times kind of a positive 9 is then negative 27. So really pay attention. Remember, a positive times a negative is a negative. So that would be negative 3x minus 27. So make sure we're paying attention to the signs. All right, here we go. Last one. Let's do this negative 2s minus 5. So let's distribute, right? We're handing it out. Negative 2 times s is negative 2s, and a negative 2, and we're going to read this as a negative 5, is a positive 10. So when I distribute that negative 2 and I have that minus 5, it's going to come out negative 2s plus 10. Remember that negative times a negative is a positive, right? That double negative makes a positive. Super important to remember. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but I love you. Bye.